Hey guys, I am back again for another airdrop video. Last time in my previous airdrop alpha updates, I did mention to you about doing a separate video regarding a 4-in-1 strategy involving Ether.fi in which it would multiply your airdrops even more. So this is what I am going to focus right now, and I will be sharing this to you as well as its updated dashboard for the season 3 and so much more. So before we get things started, I'm inviting you all to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. And kindly take note of the disclaimer that is found right here on the screen and in the video description. Before we head over to the strategy, so let's check out the updated dashboard right here on Ether.fi. So I've already connected my wallet. Last time, I have 0.10 ETH here. But where is it right now? Why is it all gone? I'm just joking. But on a different protocol that is supporting Ether.fi, in which we will be going into that in a bit. And you can see right here my updated staking reward. So we have 2.97% APR, and my loyalty points is 335,205. For the restake is to be decided, and my current eigenlayer points is 292. So I'm almost at 300. Maybe I'll take it like a few to several days from now. If you want to take part of the season 3 of the Ether.fi airdrop, so I would really appreciate if you're going to use my invite link or code that is found right here on the screen or in the video description. It's right here. Anyone that stakes using this referral link will get 100 points per 0.1 ETH staked, and so will you. Available on Ethereum mainnet, applies to ETH staking only. So it's a win-win for both of us. You will get 100 points if you're going to use my referral link. And speaking of my ETH, now, if I'm going to scroll down, guys, you could see right here down below, it's on mitosis. So I've transferred my ETH to the mitosis in the form of wrap ETH. And you could see its total volume lock, as well as its boost, my current Ether.fi and eigenlayer points, as I have take my wrap ETH right here on mitosis. So I got a 2x boost. And since we are in the season 3, we have the perks passport here. So I'm going to click this first. And about the perks passport, so we could boost our loyalty points, earn stamps for participating in events and activities. And each stamp increases our boost. Every 5 stamps gives you an additional 0.5x boost. And season 3 would end in September 2024. And how can we increase our points? So we just simply stake our ETH. We use our ETH or wrap ETH in integrated DeFi pools, bots and bribes, just like what I've shown you, which is mitosis, and depositing into the liquid. And you could check the perks passport rules right here, okay? It has already begun, and you can see its overview and of course the conditions and the frequently asked questions. So the link is just right here in the video description if you want to read all of these rules right here on the perks passport of Ether.fi's season 3 airdrop campaign. And right now, guys, as of this time, so they have $500,000 worth of USD in Nexo this week with Nexo perks. So if we could stake at between July 24th to July 31, we could earn Nexo, and you could see some conditions apply right here. So if you want to do that, so just click stake now. And of course, guys, remember about the daily login. How could we find it? So right here down below, so this is under the bonus badges. So as of this time, I'm on a 37-day streak. These are the current events, and you can see something new right here in the bonus badges. So we have the beta tester, the sentinel, refer a friend, which is activating soon, best in social, and AMA big whale. And of course, you can see the passport activity right here, which is going to reflect, in the perks passport right here in the season 3. So it is given, guys, that I am both a season 1 and a season 2 participant. So this one will be highlighted later on, and you can see the others here. Of course, there is what we call the ethfi staker. So stake at least 50 ethfi for at least 4 weeks. Now, weeks ago, those who are participating in the season 2 of Ether.fi are eligible for the airdrop. In that case, you will be receiving ethfi tokens. So I'm going to show you mine. You can see right here, guys, that my address is eligible to claim. So we can claim right here on the Ethereum mainnet. So if we're going to click continue, so we can delegate our votes. We can keep our tokens. The delegate only gets the voting power represented by your token value. You can also choose to keep your voting power or delegate to someone else at any time. So if you want to do so, guys, you can just choose right here. Okay, so since I'm going to skip, so you see right here that I've already claimed mine 61.3 ethfi tokens. Okay, now you see right here down below, we could stake our ethfi. We could earn restaking points, buy an LP program, and participate in the governance. And you could see the current ethfi staking rewards if we are going to stake, such as the loyalty points, the Karak, and more. Assuming that you want to stake all of it, so you just have to approve, and then your EVM wallet pops up, and then you just have to click sign, verify, and then you have to confirm, and then once again it pops up and you're going to confirm the transaction. That is if you want to stake your ethfi here to gain these benefits. Okay, so we could stake, earn, and spend. Now speaking of this one, guys, they have launched a cash card and earn up to 15 million cash points. So let's say if you want to get our card, so you can see right here that there are 4 tiers of the card known as Pepe, Wojek, Chad, and Whale. You can see right here that this one is only limited to the first 200,000 members. So if we want to pre-order, guys, earn up to 1 million cash points per month when you spend $100,000 in purchases on your card. And you can see its Pepe member benefits. So we can spend crypto, it is non-custodial, borrow against yield, and has some perks. And guys, they have not yet reached 200,000, so we could still pre-order, and you can see its features and benefits. Okay. However, guys, unfortunately, they only enabled a limited number of countries when we wanted to pre-order. Because if I'm going to do this, so it says, thanks, we'll let you know as soon as cash is become available in your region. So right here in the Philippines, not yet available, but I really want to get this. But for this one, guys, expecting that the benefits are much more higher, okay? So you could see more information right here, and it will be available for both the Google Pay and the Apple Pay, okay? So here's what you need to know. Of course, comparing all of these cards. And of course, we could get 100,000 cash points per approved new card holder, up to 10 million cash points per year. If you're one of those countries that are eligible to pre-order this card, so you could do so right here. Now, here's what we have been waiting for. It's time for me to share to you guys about this 4-in-1 strategy that would multiply your Ether.fi airdrop even more. If I go back right here in the portfolio, for this strategy, guys, there will be 4 birds in 1 stone. What you will be getting in this 4-in-1 strategy. So you will be earning Ether.fi loyalty points, the Eigenlayer points, the Mito points, and the Linea LXP points. So how are we going to do that? Let's say if this is your first time in interacting to Ether.fi by using my referral link, all you have to do is to go to stake first, and then right here in the stake, so we just have to deposit our Ethereum to ETH. Take note of this one, guys. You need to have at least 0.1 in mainnet Ethereum to participate right here in the season 3, just like what happened in the season 2. So you will be converting your mainnet ETH to ETH under the Ethereum mainnet. So all you have to do is to click stake. So we just have to sign and create, and then click confirm, and then wait for the transaction to be completed. And then your new balance will just reflect right here on the ETH. If you already have your ETH, here's what you need to do next. You need to wrap it. How are you going to do that? Just click wrap. So just like in any other DeFi, we don't need to really explain further on how wrapping works. So it's much easier than swapping and bridging. So all you have to do is like enter an amount, and then you just have to proceed with the transaction, pay the gas fee, and then you will receive your wrap ETH. Here's the next step, guys. Assuming that you already have your 0.10 or more wrap ETH, we're gonna bridge it to the Linea chain because I had mentioned about the Linea LXP, the layer 2 chain that is currently founded by Consensus. Right here in the bridge, notice, guys, that there are 2 options here, wrap ETH and ethfi. So we're gonna focus right here on wrap ETH, and you could see right here, guys, that we can select network to bridge. Since we're talking about Linea, so we choose Linea. So it redirects us to the Stargate bridge. Now, First things first, you need to connect your wallet. Since our wrap ETH is under Ethereum mainnet, now I'm going to go to the token and then select wrap ETH. And then right here down below, same wrap ETH, but we will choose Linea. So you just simply have to input your wrap ETH right here and then start bridging. So let's say you have 0.1 wrap ETH to bridge to Linea. Once you do it, you just have to click proceed and then pay the gas fee. Wait for the transaction to be completed until you receive your wrap ETH under the Linea chain. In my experience back then, it took me like 20 minutes before the wrap ETH under the mainnet Ethereum is finally converted to the wrap ETH under the Linea chain. Assuming that you already have your wrap ETH under the Linea chain, let's go now to the Mitosis platform. So this is the Mitosis Expedition. Now, all you have to do is to go to the Expedition app. So right now, guys, we are on the Epoch 4. So we deposit wrap ETH to maximize Mito Point rewards. You can see right here the TVL of the Mitosis Expedition. This is what you're going to get. Staking APR plus restaking APR plus eigenlayer points plus Ether.fi points plus Mitosis points. If this is Ether.fi, so you'll be gaining a 2x boost on the loyalty points. Assuming that you already have your wrap ETH on Linea that is ready to go. So you need to deposit right here on the Mitosis Expedition. All you have to do, guys, is to go right here and then switch to Linea. And then right here on Linea, assuming that you already have your balance right here, so you just have to simply deposit your Linea wrap ETH to Mitosis in order to convert it to the Me wrap ETH on the Linea chain. So once you do that, you just have to proceed, pay the gas fee, and wait for the transaction to be completed. And once it's done, you already have your Me wrap ETH under the Linea chain that is currently active in the Mitosis Expedition. And I would like to show you my balance right now. So I hover my mouse right here, and then I go to the dashboard. So you can see right here, guys, that I have connected my wallet, my X, and Discord. And currently, I am on a gold tier, and you can see my total wrap ETH under the Linea chain that is deposited right here on the Mitosis Expedition. So here are my point earnings summary. And you could see my earnings history here as well. So it's really consistent, such as my total Mito points, daily Mito points, and my daily boost. Notice right here, guys, that I have Mitosis badges here. And we could refer friends and get rewarded as well. And you can see its perks. So I would really appreciate if you're going to use my referral code or invite link that is found right here in the screen or in the video description. Now, I have 2 letters to go, the Evangelist and the Eigenlayer point, but of course, this is much more challenging because I need to have like more than 500 Eigenlayer points. And for the Evangelist, so I have 2 referred wallets, each with 0.1 Me wrap ETH balance. And you can see the milestones right here, guys. Okay, so if you're one of these, so you can just claim, okay? And of course, then you can see the holding duration boost and the testnet tier boost as well. What about this one? Why is it that I'm not eligible? Because I am not a Morse holder, okay? So if you want to get Morse, you could do so right here. If I go to the tier info, so you can see about the expedition tiers of the Mitosis. Right now, I am in the gold tier, and this is what we're going to get. I am aiming for either the platinum or maybe if I'm lucky, so I'm gonna go for the diamond. This is what you're going to get, guys, based on the amount that you have deposited right here in the Mitosis Expedition. Now, this is just 3 out of 4. Remember that this is a 4-in-1 strategy. And why is it that I am bridging it to Linea? It is because, guys, Linea has an ongoing surge campaign that will let us earn lxp-ls. So right here in the incentive dashboard, so and I quote, OpenBlock is excited to partner with Linea on their lxp-l campaign, which is the Linea Surge. The dashboard below will contain user activity data for the community to monitor. Please be sure to activate your account on referrals.linea that build to collect points for Surge. If you have activated your account, please disregard this message. For more information, please refer to linea.build/surge. Before you're going to be eligible, guys, you need to have a proof of humanity right here on Linea. So how are we going to do that? So right here on the proof of humanity, so just go to poh.linea.build. So I've already connected my account and you could see that I have completed my proof of humanity. You need to complete at least one attestation right here on group A and complete 2 attestations on group B. So either of these. As of this time, guys, you could see that I've completed at least one right here on the group A, and on the group B, I even have 3. So you need to complete the proof of humanity. Otherwise, you will not be eligible for the Linea surge. So going back here, I am going to scroll down. You could see the eligible protocols and the eligible assets. And of course, we could search the users here manually. This table contains the first 10,000 addresses by ranking. Okay, let's say if I'm going to search the address that I have used for this 4-in-1 strategy. So you can see right here, these are my stats for the total points in XP. I am currently generating these points because I have an active deposit in the Mitosis Expedition under the Linea chain. Because of the daily Mito points that I have generated, this will count in the Linea Surge campaign, which will run for at least a few months. So this is what I mean, guys, the 4-in-1 strategy. And before we end, here's a bonus. If you are an Ether.fi staker, guys, so right here in the post of Airdrop Adventure, and I quote, ever used Ether.fi, you're eligible to mint the Fluid Pass NFT. Free mint under the Arbitrum chain. Introducing the Fluid Pass by OX Fluid. Fluid, a DeFi protocol developed by Instadap, is celebrating the launch of its Fluid DEX with a special NFT for users of Ether.fi, Dido, or holders of the Melody Maker NFT. So you could mint your Fluid Pass NFT right here. Available for minting on Arbitrum and Ethereum chain. The utility of the NFT will be revealed later. Fluid does not have a token yet. So it's still in the early stages. It's an alpha call. This is level 1 of the Fluid Pass NFT. To upgrade to level 2, deposit at least $100 into Fluid. This step is optional but worth considering. So if I go right here, guys, so you just have to connect your wallet and check if your wallet is eligible to mint the level 1. So this one is free, guys. Remember that you can mint this either on the Ethereum mainnet or in the Arbitrum chain. So for instance, guys, I've already minted this in the Arbitrum one. You could see that when I updated it, so it is already minted. The ones that they have mentioned about the whitelisted committees are the ones who have stake on Ether.fi, and the other ones being mentioned right here of Airdrop Adventure. And if you want to unlock the level 2, so you just have to deposit right here in the Fluid. They are currently available in Ethereum and Arbitrum 1. So once again, guys, just a recap. In order for you to implement this 4-in-1 strategy right here on Ether.fi, you need to stake your Ethereum to ETH, and then you just have to wrap it, and then you just have to select token to bridge, which is wrap ETH, and then choose Linea, and then you just have to bridge your wrap ETH from Ethereum to Linea mainnet, and then afterwards, deposit your wrap ETH Linea here on the Mitosis Expedition and get me wrap ETH on Linea. Make sure that you have completed your proof of humanity by completing at least 1 attestation on Group A and 2 attestations in the Group B. So with this strategy, you'll be earning both the Ether.fi loyalty points, the Eigenlayer points, the Mito points in the Mitosis Expedition, and the Linea Surge points, which is the lxp-l's. So for more information on all this one, guys, I have provided all the resource links right here in the video description. So I would really appreciate some honest feedback from you guys regarding the video that I have for you today. And if you have some questions that were not covered right here in this video of mine, I would try my best to answer them for you. You can just simply head over to the official socials of all of these ones that I have mentioned right here in this video and get in touch with the real admins and mods to potentially answer your queries. And of course, before we wrap this up, I would like to congratulate those who are eligible in the season 2 of the Ether.fi airdrop. So guys, a big congratulations to you, and hopefully we could get even more right here on the season 3. So I do have a question for you. Did you enjoyed watching this video? Has this video helped you a lot and gives value in any way? And what do you think about it? Just let me know right here in the comment section. So once again, this is Nomad Fury and I'll see you all on my next video.